5 years after Katrina, the skyrocketing cost of insurance still plagues so many homeowners. A report released today pointed to the flaws of the insurance market along the Gulf Coast and listed some options to fix it. Trang Pham joins us in the studio tonight with those findings. Trang.
The RAND Corporation announced its findings today at an insurance forum at USM Gulf Park. The study pointed to rising rates as much as 400% in some areas of the coast, and homeowners are having to bear more of the risks. Members on the panel also shared some ideas to help solve the insurance crisis.
The residential insurance markets have been in a great deal of turmoil since Hurricane Katrina. Premiums have increased dramatically.
Members on this panel noted that the current insurance system is not working. However, there's been little agreement on the best ways to fix it. In their latest study on the insurance market after Katrina, the RAND Corporation listed 4 goals to bring about change.
One of the reforms that seems to make sense would be to expand the mandatory purchase requirement of the National Flood Insurance Program to include all homes in a flood insurance area, a flood zone, regardless of whether they had a mortgage or not.
Another suggestion is to eliminate the need to buy separate policies. Congressman Gene Taylor and others on the panel said the solution is for Congress to pass the Multi-Peril Insurance proposal, which would cover both wind and flood.
I hope it doesn't come to this, but I suspect it's going to take a major storm on the East Coast, where a lot of folks in some urban area, be it New York, North Carolina, suffer what we went through, and that's what it's going to take to pass this.
We've got to continue to sell this story to other members of Congress from outside of coastal areas that don't understand just what NFIP really does.
Insurance agent Dave Trutel gave some encouraging news. More companies are writing wind policies in Mississippi.
To me, there's no better place in the nation than the Mississippi Gulf Coast to come back and write, because we've rebuilt our weaker, stronger buildings that were destroyed in Katrina, and they've been built back for the most part in the 5 counties to the International Building Code. That's, to me, a big plus.
And we have an in-depth interview with Dave Trutel, who is also on the Advisory Council of the National Flood Insurance Program. Plus, you can read more on the RAND Insurance Report. That's all posted on WLOX.com. Rebecca?